Hello, soda soap and Asoma soap lover. Guess what? I just made another batch of soda soap and this one is a must-see. If you are looking for a soap that is very simple to make, affordable to produce, and highly profitable for business, then stay with me. This batch is proof that you don't need big capital to start winning in the soap business. With the right recipe and the right method, you can start small and still make quality products that sell fast. Watch carefully to the end because I'm about to show you exactly how I made this new batch of beautiful foamy soda soap. First thing first, this is my bleach palm oil. We are going to be using cold process in making soda soap today. This is bleach palm oil. I've bleached it and I allow it to cool down completely for 24 hours. Here is the bleach palm oil. I've already measured 1.5 cup of bleach palm oil into my mixing bowl. That is 1.5 cup of bleach palm oil into my mixing bowl. I added nothing to this bleached palm oil. It's just bleached palm oil, the palm oil that I bleached with fire. Then the next thing is my lye solution. This is my already made lye solution. Soak it 24 hours, even more than 24 hours before the production. Then I use the same size of cup to measure lye solution, just 1 cup into 1.5 cup of bleach palm oil, and as I measure it, I started stirring it. I'll stir it until the lye solution and bleach palm oil mix together without separation. You can see how beautiful and jelly it looks, but I continue stirring it. I will have to stir it together very well. Most of you that normally ask for how long can I soak my lye solution, you can soak your lye solution more than 1 month. That is, you can use the lye solution that you soak more than 1 month to make your production. It's not necessary that maybe you soak it, after some days you throw it away. You can still keep it to use at least for 1 month, even no more than that. So now you can see that everything I've mixed up very well. Now I remove my stirring stick from the batter. Now I have to bring the batter together before I start molding it. This production did not need any foam booster because it foams very well. You will see it at the end of this video that it foams. The soap will foam very well with bleach palm oil and the lye solution. If you use the right measurement, if you use the right formula, there's no way you produce it without foaming booster. It will still foam very well. So I bring everything together in order to start molding it. As it is now, if maybe you are a beginner, you can still allow it to be strong a bit before you start molding it. But if you are used to molding it, you see with the stainless plate in my hand here, you will see that it is very easy to mold. Now with my stainless plate, I want to mold the 200 naira size now. So you can see that I've cut it into the plate and I start molding it. You see it. So if you want to learn more how to use this stainless plate, you can see it's not more than this. Yes, if you want to, if you want to learn, I mean what it takes with this plate that we are using, because there are some things that you cannot just do with this plate. There are some things that you cannot do with it. And this is 500 naira size that I'm molding now. You can see that this one is bigger than the first one. So this is how you put it into your plate, then you flipped it. Inside the plate, there's no oil there. We don't put any oil. The only thing we are putting inside the plate for easy molding is water. You can put your lye solution or just ordinary water. You can see it's water, just ordinary water. So you add little water to the plate in order to mold smoothly, for the batter not to gum to the plate. What we added to the stainless plate is water, nothing but water. So you cut it into the plate, then you flip it. You gently flip it left and right. If you started using the stainless plate, it will look very difficult. But as time goes on, as you are molding it, you get used to it. Practice make perfect. Practice make perfect. Don't think that maybe you will start today and today you will know how to do it perfectly. No, you have to start practicing it little by little before you get used to it. And for you as a beginner, if you want to start you start using this stainless plate, what you can do is to mix it just little by little. It's not must that you mix like 1 liter or 2 liters. If you want to mix, you can mix as small as thin cup or the smallest cup of bleach palm oil and lye solution. Then you mix it together to form a batter. Then you can start molding that, maybe like 3, 4, 5 like that, before you get used to it properly. Because if you are not used to this molding, if you are not fast with it, your batter will cake. And if your batter congeal, it will be very difficult to mold, because if it's already strong and you start molding it, it will be breaking. So that is why I will advise you as a beginner, you have to mix your batter small. Don't do maybe plenty at a time. Do it small. Do it little by little. Hope you understand. And that is why I said, if you want to learn more, maybe you want to know how we mix our lye solution, how we do other things related to soda soap, kindly check my phone number on my screen. That is our WhatsApp number. Just come into my WhatsApp, DM me, go straight to the point, and I'll be there to answer you in whatever question that you ask. You can see I continue molding it, and when I see that my stainless plate is dry, I will add water to it again. Then I will continue molding it. If you take a look at the batter, you will see that it's getting stronger. The more the batter stay on the mixing bowl, the more stronger it becomes. That is why I said you don't mix plenty at a go, especially if you are just starting. You have to mix it small, so that at least you will be able to mold it before it's congealed, before it's caked. So you flip, you roll, and that is just it. It's very simple, right? You can see now, look at the remaining batter in the mixing bowl. You can see that everything look as if it's crumbled. So we have to use the spoon to press it together. You see, maybe if you are experiencing this kind of a thing, that maybe for the remaining little one that is remaining on the bowl, it's just to use it, bring it together with your spoon, with your cutting spoon, then use it to smoothen it before putting it into the rolling plates. And you add water into the plate so that it will have a smooth. You can see that it takes a longer time than the other one that is not strong to mold. It takes a longer time. So I just want you to see the end of the molding of this batch. That is why I have to bring it to you. I have to bring you to the end so that you will see how it look like. In case you started molding it and you see the remaining one is started, maybe you see it as if it's crumbling inside your mixing bowl. Don't pour it away. or don't just leave it like that. You still have to bring it together. It's just that it will take a longer time for you to mold it together. Already it has been pieces. The batter is no more together like the very first time that you started molding it. But even with that, you still have to find a way of molding it and make it smooth. You can see I have to even use the spoon to smoothen it before adding it into the one that I've already molded. And that is how I will do it until I mold everything from this batch before mixing another batch. Mixing, even people that know how to do this, that have been doing it for a long time, we don't do everything once. We have to be doing it batch by batch before it gets to maybe the one that we want to mold. We can mold as many as 25 liters of oil in a day. But this is how we do it, batch by batch, bit by bit, before we finish all the oil bleach for the production. So that is that about soda or Azuma Blue. It's very easy to make. It's one of the simplest soap that you can make at home, that you can make on your own, and is profitable. You want to learn more about it, please do not hesitate to come into my DM. And here is it. You can see the production for today. You can see it, how beautiful it all came out. Look at it. So that is very easy if you follow the right formula. And for those of you asking, is it fast selling? This soap is moving more than any other soap. It's fast selling. At least people that will come and pack it already booked. This is a kind of soap that they booked even before you make the production. Most of my students normally tell me, Mama, the soap that I've made has finished. They are even asking for more. You see, you too can be part of this success story. You too can start your own soda soap production today. You can start the business. It's very, very easy, and it requires little capital. Just come into my DM and come and learn more how to produce it. And one more thing, you have to know the size that they normally sell in your area or in your country. Those of you that are outside country, check your locality. If it's big one or small one, then you go ahead to produce it. So my own cuts might be different from your own cuts. If it's been you going to the market, go to your local market, get their size, the size that normally move well around your place, get it and use the size to make your own cuts. Use that particular size to make your own cut so that your own production too will enter the market, and before you know, you will get customer here and there. And I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If yes, kindly like, comment, ask question down below the comments, share to other people too that might need these types of video. And if you are watching and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. You will get notified when I drop another amazing tutorial just like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.